on since Harshita announced the session about context writing. So I feel absolutely privileged to call myself a context writer because that is one of the only context writer in the world. That's what I kind of claim because I haven't come across anyone calling themselves a context writer as of now. And I think after this session, I might lose that privilege seat because some of you might start getting into context. Uh, so as an education, my degree is line accounting. I have done my basically CA in UK. Don't ask why, but that happened. I was working as a wealth manager for a few years. Then I came back to India, and when I came back to India, I wanted to pursue something into creative and marketing side because that is something I thought that always came natural to me because I used to write plays, direct theater shows before I went to study in the UK. But theater wasn't paying much, so the best next option I always thought was getting into advertising agencies where you can write less and earn a lot. So that is what my finance brain told me to get into advertising agencies as a copywriter, where I got to learn into copywriting, into brand management, creating videos, planning, development, everything. And one fine day, I thought, okay, now I have learned everything, and I want to go independent because if you work with one team or one set of people, you can develop only one set of perspectives as well. But there are thousand perspectives you need to learn. So I thought I'll go independent, work with multiple agencies, and since then I have been calling myself a context writer because I set the context on which the content is built. Um, and it's been close to 5.5 years since I'm working independent. As of today, I work closely with around 39 ad agencies in India. So in India, we have Pune, which is my local place. So Pune, Mumbai, few in Delhi, few in Bangalore, Indore. Then there are agencies in Dubai, New York that I cater to, and there are different things I catered them on. So in the next 1 hour, I'll unfold everything what I have been doing. But overall, I work on digital media, I work on mainline media, video productions, that is your script to execution, everything. Then it could be strategizing, planning, and all of this comes under the preview of content. And that's why this has been an amazing journey so far. Uh, I mean, just to sum up my whole thing, what I do in a sentence, every day is a new day for me, thanks to this context. So I think I have set enough context and enough curiosity for this. Harshita?
Sure, sure. That was amazing to hear about you and your introduction, and we are looking forward to like answers of some amazing questions. So, starting with my first question for you is, how do you like get this concept of context writing, and like how did you think that you should talk about this and get into this first before actually content writing or copywriting?
Uh, so I knew what content and copywriting is because I have been doing it on and off in my different work time. But then what I realized is if I have to go independent and if I start calling my how many content writers in here can you chat? How many content writers you can raise your hand or say me or why or whatever? Anyone? Content writers? I know Harshita is one. Uh, Karam is one whom I've known long time now. Preeti is one. Aksaya is one. Riya is both content and copywriter. Very nice. Anyone else? Deblina is one. And what are other scientists? Okay, Mohammed Kashif. So I think most of us are based loosely to content or to writing in certain ways. Yes, Tanupreet is as well. Uh, so while working with different ad agencies, what I realized is everybody is bogged down by deadlines, right? Even we are bogged down by deadlines, and uh, the kind of clients we get is amazing. Yes, with the content copy and creative amazing. Okay, okay. So everyone's bogged down by deadlines. Nobody has actually time to think and deliver because अपना प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अपने क्लाइंट्स भी रात को जागते हैं just like us, and they know that we work at night. So if you're working at night, they'll give you the brief in the evening and say, I want this piece of content to be created in the morning. Is that a common story with everyone? Most of us? So we are working on an individual level, but when you go to ad agencies or content agencies or video production houses, marketing consultancies, they work on organizational level where they have multiple deadlines to manage at the same time. Now, if you are running against the time, you don't have time to think. So what I started telling organizations, agencies, or these production houses is, I'll do the thinking part and you do the executing part. So if I think, then there will be some real soul in the creative or the content that we're coming up with. Otherwise, क्या होता है? The red color becomes blue color. मम्मी के डैडी बन जाते हैं, and there's a new campaign that comes up, and that's what we call an advertising campaign. But it does not really help anyone involved in the whole process. Neither the creators, nor the advertising agencies, nor the people for whom we are creating, the clients, nor the customers, because everyone has seen it before. So when you have somebody to think what can be done, there's always a higher chance of coming up with something new, something interesting. That is how I thought that context plays a big role in creating content. So, I mean, just to show off, I'll try like to show off a lot of times while the conversation is happening. But for me, the context is the X factor in the context. That's why the difference is X in context and your context, right? Let me give an example. Just to study, go and see all the Durex social media pages today. How many of you have seen Durex social media pages? Anyone follows them? Akshata does. You think so? Yeah. No, Sudipta, you haven't done? Okay. You have known me for, I think, last 12 years. You haven't seen Durex pages. You should go and see them. And I'll tell you why. If I say, oh my God, yeah, that's the copy. Oh my God. And the client is Durex. Now start thinking. Right? I would have loved if your videos were on so that I could see your expression, but okay, I can assume what you guys would be thinking. So, oh my God. Is my voice breaking? Can anyone give me a check?
Actually, there is some background noise coming from your side. So,
Background noise. Okay. Maybe
matlab
it is
there
my
is
thoughts that are playing louder. What sort of
like,
noise is it?
matlab mic mein there is some issue, I guess.
Mic mein there is some
And
issue.
video is
Then
not also clear. So I thought maybe it's from my side, but now like everyone is getting so.
okay, wait. I'll show you 5 fingers. Let's see how many people are really awake. How many people can see 5 fingers?
Only four is visible.
अरे मैं 5 दिखा रहा हूँ.
We can see 4.
Oh, everyone can see 4. Amazing. Okay, so the video is working for sure.
मतलब इट इज लाइक क्लियर नहीं है मतलब वो तो दिख ही रहा है कि 5 है कि अब 4 है बट वीडियो क्लियर
Oh,
नहीं है
amazing.
एंड वॉइस भी ब्रेक हो रही है तो दैट इज अबाउट
Is there a lag? Probably there must be a lag because we live in the 5G world or India, so there must be some lag in there, right? Okay, Akash, I can see you very clearly, and you're wearing right?
या एम आई
Okay.
या
Am I audible, or should I go a little slower?
No, audible.
Audible. Okay. Okay. Right. So I'll start the example that I was giving again. If we talk about Durex as a client, and oh my God is the copy, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? People can unmute or people can type. Yeah. I'll let it to you. Durex, oh my God, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? I am audible.
Yes, yes. Something out of shock.
Something out of shock, okay, or something out of pleasure. The
Both
client is
ways.
Durex. Durex India. Okay.
Like,
So when we talk about Durex and top pieces, oh my God, everyone is probably looking at the same visuals, but just because we are sitting in India and our mommy daddies are roaming around, we cannot give the answer. I understand, but yes, I can read your mind here. Okay, now I'll change the product. I'll get a Mercedes Benz, and I'll rate. Oh my God, what is the thing that comes to your mind?
Speed and performance.
Speed and performance. Okay, but the words were exactly the same. Oh my God, for both Mercedes and Durex, which are completely different products. You actually cannot mix the products because they say don't drink and drive, something like that. So somebody saying comfort, features, okay. So the content remained the same. What changed in this example, yes, Ria, is the context, right? But if I mix the context, then what happens? Now I will start tickling your dirty mind. I'll say the pleasure is mine. Which is the first product that comes to your mind?
Durex.
But I didn't mention Durex right now.
But you can feel it. Matlab, like, you know, as soon as you listen it,
Okay. Now you're taking the whole conversation on a different level, Karamji, by talking about the feeling. Right? So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to manipulate your thoughts. Because I have fed you a certain piece of information which will lead you to thinking in a certain way. That is content based on certain context. Because till date, oh my God, would have never sounded you so pervy or so X-rated till this point. And the moment here onwards, you'll always, whenever you think about, oh my God, you'll always think about his example. So which means I have successfully manipulated. Yes, Devlina is, I think, on my side when she sends that. So that basically is the context. So for me, if content is the body you're creating, that context is the soul on which that body is created, or the DNA that we call in modern day. So that DNA will define your content, right? I'll go a modern example. Forget all the quirkiness or the humor in it. But what happens is, if I ask you to write a blog saying 22 trends that will describe your 2022 on writing, what happens? What is the process that we take on? Come on. You guys can unmute or you can type 22 trends that will define content in 2022. What will you do? What is your process as a writer? If I ask you to write this piece of content,
first we'll research.
okay, what will you research or where will you research?
Internet or Quora or social media platforms.
Okay, so that's again internet. So most of us will go and research on the net, internet,
Yep.
or the web, we call it. But how can you research about the future in the present?
Maybe we will assume according to what we have researched and what was in the past. We can also only assume, right? Because all the blogs
Correct.
we read, all the videos we see, they are based on assumptions that they say digital marketing trends in 2021, and 2021 has
Correct.
just started. So maybe they
Correct.
have, like, they are making assumptions based on their experience, based on their past knowledge, research, and everything.
Correct. Imagine what must have happened to writers who wrote a similar content last year. Isn't it? But nobody could have predicted. So these things are actually based on predictions, like somebody said. Or go and ask digital marketers, look at demand and trending topics. But all of this, if you plot on a timeline, we are either talking about the present or the past. And we are writing about the future. isn't it? All our contents are always futuristic. But what happens is everyone sitting in this room follows the same process. So when everyone is unique, what happens then? मतलब Harshita thinks my content is unique. Deepti thinks my content is unique. Karamjit thinks my content is always unique. Aishwarya says मैं बहुत अच्छा लिखती हूँ. So overall, everyone thinks I am unique. So what happens with everyone is unique? Yeah, go on.
I think we feel that we are unique, but still there is something lacking. मतलब like हम assume कर लेते कि uniqueness है, but होती नहीं है.
Correct. So when everyone thinks they're unique, everyone is common. Which means nobody is unique. I'll give you a typical शादी वाला example so that it relates more and you have visuals. शादी में क्या होता है? Everyone is dressed to their best. मतलब एक पहले वो पार्लर वाले को रईस बना के आए होते हैं, अपने एफडी तोड़ देते हैं सो दैट यू गेट द बेस्ट ऑफ योर गोल्ड फेशियल्स, मैनिक्योर, पेडिक्योर. फिर मनीष मल्होत्रा के अकाउंट में अचानक 200 करोड़ आ जाते हैं, शादी है इसलिए, बिकॉज सबको मनीष के घाघरे पहनने, राइट? एंड इट्स अ बिग नाइस इंडियन पैट वेडिंग जहाँ पे एवरीवन ट्राइंग टू लुक देयर बेस्ट.
I'm going on a wedding this night.
Fantastic. So you can actually put this example in practice today. You see this. Everyone is trying to impress others in a wedding by looking their best. And everyone thinks they are the center of attraction, forget the bride and the groom. But when everyone thinks they are the center of attraction, actually nobody is center of attraction, right? Everyone's looking at themselves only. And that is the same problem with all of us content creators, because अगर मैंने मनीष पहना है, आकाश इज वेयरिंग मनीष, हर्षिता इज वेयरिंग मनीष, दीप्ति इज वेयरिंग मनीष, तो मनीष का यूएस कहाँ चला गया? मनीष लोकल हो गया ना. So everyone becomes fashionable or fashionista. And that is exactly what happens in people who don't have the base of context which will build a nice content upon. So if I was supposed to write this content that we were just discussing about trends, I will write 21 trends that you have already seen in 2021. Don't miss the 22nd. I am writing about the exact same predictions, exact same assumptions. Even the research part is the same, but I'm giving it a different look. Or if you're talking about 22 trends, I will say I'll write about 50 trends. If you follow, you'll fail in 2022. Is what I try to write about. I'm giving it a different look. So the first 5 content that you see, everyone's talking about the 22 trends that you should follow to have a great 2022, and 50 things you should unfollow to have a great 2022. Which one will you go and read first?
Second one,
Which one?
the 50 trends to unfollow.
Follow.
Unfollow.
Right.
Huh.
But you actually haven't read the content inside, right? Why would you go and click on that?
Because like
It will give the
Yeah, go
curiosity.
on. Correct. Because you were not expecting this to come to you. You were expecting a linear content that will come to you. Something non-linear happened in your life. मतलब एक लड़की पसंद है, you go there, you are about to propose her and she comes to you and says I love you. वो हो गया आपके लाइफ में.
because people
Then
want
what happens to you?
what I think that people are not like people are not focusing on what they can do correctly, but they wanted to stop what they were doing incorrectly. तो I guess
Correct.
that is what catches the eye कि हम क्या गलत कर रहे थे और हम क्या stop कर सकते हैं instead of starting
Correct.
something new.
Correct. So curiosity level rises. Obviously, yes, Preeti. So that's what I'm trying to come to. Because I'm setting a different context to the content, there is a higher chance of people coming and reading it or consuming it in any way. It could be audio, video, text, or whatever, or a mix of all. Another major thing that just wanted to put out while we talk about content is not just text. Matlab, it's not just your articles, your press releases, your blogs, your web copies, ad copies. It's not that. If you're watching OTT platforms these days, a very common discussion point between people is कि इसका content बहुत अच्छा था. Isn't that what we are saying, everyone?
Yeah, exactly.
So, as a content creator, don't just stick to writing words. Try to give it voice, which means that can become a podcast, or give it an audio format. Try to give it visual. So it can become a video, it can become OTT, it can become films, it can become whatever. And if you can do that, that is when you will understand or unleash the real power of content. Otherwise, ये blogs, these short life blogs, they will not earn you more. They will always give you short term income. Right? So before I drift my thing into income, so let's take the next question. So I hope I was clear in the difference between context and content. It's the X factor. Remember that.
Right. So basically, the two questions of me are covered here. Like, what is the concept and how is it different from content writing?
इसका अलग पैसा लगेगा अर्चिता. I answered two questions in one.
So moving towards the next question is, like, how to be actually a context writer before a content writer. Like, you explained the procedure, like you explained why it is important, but how to be like how to generate that from inside, that we have to think of context and how to do the procedure, the whole of it.
As a writer, the last thing I do in the process of writing is writing itself. I'll repeat that if it were too complicated. Matlab, it's not a Gulzar wala share, don't worry. As a writer, the last thing I do in the process of writing is writing itself. Then what is the first step? So.
Idea building.
I just gave a big hint there when I said so.
Thinking rightly.
Correct. Thinking. Our problem is, as writers or content creators, the internet or the web does our thinking part. ऐसा हमको लगता है. So if you want to write something, or if we want to come up with a new set of content, what we do is we immediately start Googling, or we immediately go to Quora, or we go to DuckDuckGo because we don't advertisers to follow us, and we start researching. That's not research. That is just browsing the internet. First, you need to know what different can I do in this piece of content. Unless you find out what different can you do, you will never be able to go to the next level of creating something that is contextually interesting. Right? How many of you, probably few of you, heard me talking in different platforms on the Blind School project? Anyone here as well? You guys can type, or I'll give that example. Anyways, I'm giving that example, but I just want to understand if anyone knows that before. The Blind School project? Yes, Preeti has heard it. Good. Okay, this time I'll give a new example then. And Harshita, remind me of the Blind School project. We take it later sometime with everyone. Right? I was invited by one of an ad agencies based in Mumbai. They wanted to pitch an upcoming super specialty hospital in Vadodara. Okay. And they had invited around 23 or 24 agencies for the pitch. Now, I was invited so that I can get something new in the pitch. So we created a pitch in Mumbai, and we were traveling to Vadodara to present whatever we had in mind. And what I realized is, when we were going to the presentation in Vadodara, every gully, every major road had a super specialty hospital. And probably it must be a similar scene in your city as well. Everyone calls themselves a super specialty hospital. So what happens when everyone calls themselves a super specialty? क्या होता है? मनीष का लहंगा याद करो. It is the
Like
same
commoners.
concept here. Correct. As a customer or as a patient, when I see 55 super specialty hospitals in front, I am actually confused where to go. So there is no point of calling ourselves a super specialty. That's what I realized. So when we went there and we did our presentation, I said to the panel that was sitting in front, we will build India's first patient-centric hospital. Sounds nice? Patient-centric hospital.
Yep. Something different.
Something different. On that one phrase, we won the pitch. Because doctors ने भी कभी ये सुना नहीं होता है. Because ये कवि की कल्पना है. मैंने भी कभी सुना नहीं था कि ऐसा हॉस्पिटल होता है. मतलब इमेजिन देयर इज अ पेशेंट सेंट्रिक हॉस्पिटल. आधे पेशेंट तो वही क्योर हो जाएंगे कि डॉक्टर्स आर एक्चुअली बिहेविंग नाइसली टू यू. So on that thing, we won the pitch. And they said, now you come and present us what do you actually mean by a patient-centric hospital. And nobody knew what a patient-centric hospital is because that is the context that is playing in my mind. So they started doing research on what are the hospitals missing in the current scenario, or what can you expect there as a patient or as a visitor or as a relative of a patient. And those things were put in a presentation, presented to them. So we are now building an experience center more than a hospital in Vadodara. Which means what colors play on the patient psyche. Are there any colors that connect to your health or associated to your health? All these random questions are popping in your head. Or if you've seen the visitors room, where relatives are just sitting and not sure कि क्या होने वाला है. वो ना एक रेड लाइट होता है, वो जल जाती है तो यू जस्ट सिट देयर फॉरएवर ऑपरेशन थिएटर के बाहर एंड यू जस्ट सिटिंग देयर एंड वंडरिंग कि क्या हो रहा है. So you're in confused state as a relative of the patient. One side you are a little tense, the other confused. So can we change these emotions of tense and confusion to something little more pleasant? So ये relatives का जो waiting lounge होता है, we've turned that into a yoga center now. So these guys can sit there and practice yoga. One of the insights. It's the same hospital. The content is the same. मतलब हम लोग ऑपरेशन थिएटर में गार्डन नहीं लगा सकते. That is not allowed to us. But we can work on the experience that everyone in that organization or in that building will go through. That is where the context comes in picture. Now, what happens is, I was supposed to do only the pitch. So I was helping them with winning the client. So that was my only deliverable to this agency. But now, for the next 3 years, I have been retained by that agency on a retainer, which means a monthly income, till the project is handed over and you can actually see it standing out there. That will take around 3 years to finish. So 125,000 project became a 25,000 into 36 months ka project. Anyone good in math? 25 into 36, how much? I know the answer, it's a lot. Don't do the math, don't worry. It's a lot, I know. Right? But it's somewhere around 9 lakh rupees. Now, this one context is what helped the 25,000 convert into a 900,000 or a 9 lakh rupees. Thank you, Karamji. Thank you, Preeti. So yeah, this is where context helps. Otherwise, हमने क्या किया होता? If there was no context of a patient-centric hospital, what we would have done is went there and presented कि ये कैसे और एक super specialty hospital बनेगा. So that 9 lakh would have just stayed to 25,000. But personally, right? So I hope that gives you an insight and why I was talking about the money. It's not a gentleman's words to talk about money, but I like to talk about money because people start believing more in whatever is being said, and that money helps to set the context. Right?
I have a question.
Yes, Karamjit.
Like you said, to start like whatever we do, like whenever we start doing anything, like we go to internet and we start browsing, ठीक है?
Yes.
But you said to have a different context. जैसे ये वाला एग्जांपल लिया कि सारे जो हॉस्पिटल्स है वो बेस्ट है, तो हमारा अगर पेशेंट सेंट्रिक होगा तो बेटर होगा. तो यू सेड कि पहले रिसर्च नहीं करना है, पहले दिमाग से सोचना है कि ये डिफरेंट क्या कर सकते हैं. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि अगर हमें पता ही नहीं है कि बाकी क्या कर रहे हैं तो फिर हम सोचेंगे क्या. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू डोंट नो कि व्हाट अदर पीपल व्हाट इज देयर, मतलब कोई भी अगर टॉपिक पकड़ो, इफ यू पिक एनी टॉपिक, सो until unless we know कि on that same topic what all things have been written, so how do we know that what different do we need to create?
No, I always think you should come up with some kind of a concept first,
Okay.
and then you can build upon it.
Okay.
मुझे एक घर बांधना है. If that is the brief, what all things start coming to your mind? I want to build a nice house. Now, this nice is a very perceptive term,
Yeah.
isn't it? For somebody, nice would be a beach house. For some, it would be a house in the mountains. For some, it would be in a high-rise tower. कुछ लोग बोलेंगे I want an independent bungalow. कुछ लोग बोलेंगे it should be a farmhouse. Some people would want jacuzzi in there. Some people would say I want the best of the wildest of animals to stay in my courtyard. कुछ भी हो सकता है. That is the context. Now, I want to build a house is the brief that has come from your client. The next question should be describe nice to the client.
Okay.
So, as soon as you ask describe nice and the person says, I think I am looking at a beach. So, you know it's a beach house. But if you don't ask the question describe nice, you will start building a house that you like and not the house that the person likes.
I think that's the mistake we generally do.
Correct.
Got the
Context is built upon asking the right question than finding the right answer. Right? I'll repeat that. That context is set upon asking the right question before finding the right answer. Because अब right answer है कैसे decide करोगे?
हाँ, क्वेश्चन ही नहीं पूछा तो फिर आंसर कहाँ से आएगा?
मतलब अभी क्या हो रहा है? Users go and write that the answer is option B. But what is the answer to? What does it answer? What is the question? That is what we need to ask ourselves. And if you know the right question, you will give the right answer. So यहाँ पे थोड़ा उल्टा चलता है. But what happens is when you directly hit the web, you are starting to look for answers immediately. But is it the same answer that your clients are looking for? Is the question that you should ask yourself?
No, it will be different.
Correct. It should obviously be different. Otherwise, what's the point of hiring you in the first place?
Yeah,
I would have hired Google straight away.
Huh.
Isn't it?
So you mean
go and
yeah? You mean to say
Sorry.
we need to have the question ready as well beforehand?
You need to question yourself a lot.
Okay, got it.
Not the obviously you have to ask questions to your clients, but you need to know what new can I do every time I create some content.
So that means you need to be impromptu, like मतलब spontaneously दिमाग में आना चाहिए. अच्छा ये उसने पूछा तो इससे रिलेटेड मैं उसको नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ सकता हूँ जिससे कि मेरे पास वो एक सॉलिड इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी कुछ डिफरेंट सोचने के लिए.
Correct.
Point.
Yes, Preeti. Observation plays yes because we changed this pitch at the last moment while traveling to this hospital. Till then we hadn't come up with this patient-centric hospital. Till then it would have still been a super specialty hospital. But yes, observation plays a lot. And it's not bad to Google, guys. But you can definitely Google, but you need to know what to Google. वरना लोग क्या करते हैं 10 चीजें पढ़ते हैं और 11वां क्रिएट कर देते हैं. So you're not creating, you're just paraphrasing. You're just rewriting the 10 content. That's not what we are here for. That is AI's job. We are humans. What a difference is. Okay. Harshita, there's that answer?
It really does.
Yeah.
So, like, Again, you answered two questions in a answer. My question
Double tap.
was like how context writing help you in improving the quality of work you are doing. So
Yeah,
you gave us the life example that more of people like will be attracted towards the content we are creating, and that improves the quality of the work obviously,
yes.
and what we are creating for that. So yeah, that was all my questions, I guess. Now we can ask the audience if they have any question, and if they want to ask some specific question or queries they have, like in
Sure.
context writing. The
Absolutely.
concept is now clear, but yeah, there may be a detailed one as well. So yeah, you can answer, like put up your questions, unmute or put in the chat box, and then we can take up them.
Absolutely. Let's see who has the best or the fastest typing speed.
Okay, so like I had a question that in the context writing as well, if we go towards the niches of technical writing or the marketing or advertising niches, then also the context, like context plays a role, and if yes, then how? Because what I think that in the technical writing as well, we have to do more of the research and think of like get to know about the technology more, than adding
Correct.
towards our sense of like understanding there. So how
Yeah.
would you explain that point? Yeah.
Uh, what content is presented in a people are always to come.
Are not audible.
I'll say that again. Whatever content you're creating, whether it's technical, whether it's non-technical, fiction, non-fiction, whatever you're creating, unless you present a different point of view or a different perspective, nobody is going to look at it. I'll give you an example again. Volkswagen had approached us recently. I mean, this has been a couple of years. Uh, but they approached us saying our presentations are too boring. Can you make it interesting? Now, this is a very open discussion, isn't it? Our presentations are too boring. Can you make it interesting? I said, obviously, yes, because presentations are the most boring part that happens in an organization. Because what happens is, वहाँ पे भी same problem है. They are asked to present something tomorrow morning, which they come to know this night. तो एक रात में उनको जादू करना होता है, right? So they pick up content from different PPTs and create a new PPT. इतना ही difference है, बाकी कोई difference नहीं होता. Because this presentation that had come to me, we as in Volkswagen India had to present its statistics to Volkswagen Germany. Okay, Volkswagen India, they are presenting their statistics. How are the automobiles doing to Volkswagen Germany? And they had created a typical PPSX. That's your PowerPoint slides. And it was too boring because every slide had close to 5,000 words on the same slide. Because they want to talk a lot in shortest amount of time. But imagine there is no white space left on the presentation. There are so many words, your infographics, vectors, graphs flying from here and there, but there is absolutely no uh, interesting element that can catch your eye because there is so much happening in there. There's too much crowd in one slide, and there were close to 30 slides similar to that. Imagine the person sitting and seeing it for the first time. उसका problem है कि मैं देखूं क्या इसमें? What should I look at? So we told them, let's do something new. Let's discard the whole PPT and make a new video of the PPT. Right? I'll try to pull up the video as well and put it in chat so you guys can see it later. But then, yeah, they loved the idea of doing a video instead of a presentation. So it's an infographics wala video. And I'll show you just the half part because I cannot get into details because वो एक NDA वाला paper sign किया होता है, God knows why. But yes, NDA signed है. But I'll show you a shorter version of it so that you guys can understand what I'm trying to come to. Remind me that I have to post that before I go, yeah? But what happened is, the feedback that we got is nobody got out of their seat even for a loo break till the video was finished. Because it was something like a 7 or 8 minute video. और PPTs का एक PPTs की एक खास बात ये होती है कि as soon as the PPT starts, people want to take a loo break, which basically means your PPT is too boring. I need to go out. So those things definitely happen. So try to put your content in a new way is always what has helped me. Not necessarily your presentation has to be a presentation like a slide wala presentation with nice animations flying here and there. You can do your own videos. Whenever people ask me, whenever I'm speaking, do you have a presentation deck? I tell people I myself am my own presentation deck. So you better the guys look at me than the slide. Because there is a lot happening here as well. So yes, coming back to your point, Harshita, there can be a way if the client is open for it, right? I'll give you another example. In 2013 or 14, my job was to write stories that would sell generic drugs in America. So ये थोड़ा सा bouncer जाएगा, but I'll try to make it as simple as possible. So basically, generic drugs is your aspirin, and branded drug is your Disprin. तो डिस्प्रिन होता है ₹1 का एंड जेनरिक ड्रग होता है 5 पैसे का, राइट? सो माय कंटेंट वाज सपोज टू सेल द 5 पैसा ड्रग टू द अमेरिकन बिकॉज वहां पे मेडिकल इज टू कॉस्टली. नाउ इमेजिन somebody रीडिंग माय कंटेंट एंड बाइंग हार्ट के मेडिसिन या फिर उनके स्ट्रोक वाले मेडिसिन, or it could be anything, dysfunction wale medicine. It could be any medicine under the roof. But my job was to write content that will sell medicine. So what I started doing is creating छोटे scenarios, stories. So the first half of the content was a dialogue between two people. That was a fiction. And the second part was always the solution. You say, for example, Harshita meets me after a long time and she says, "Hey, how are you doing?" I say, "I'm not keeping really well. I have severe headaches, वगैरह वो सब." So if I'm talking about the stroke, I will put all the symptoms in the first part of the content. So I have taken care of the stroke wale symptoms. So anyone who is looking for stroke wale symptoms, even they come and read this content, और जिसको medicine लेना है वो भी content read कर रहे हैं. They start relating to it immediately. So as soon as say the first 10 lines are done, the second half was, that you cannot create. वहाँ पे you cannot go and create the treatment, the cure, or the side effects. But वहाँ पे you cannot get creative. वहाँ पे you have to stick to the technical data. Like Harshita, you are pointing out in probably all the IT fields these days. You cannot play with that data. But there's a certain way of creating. So that story before the technical data is the context. Because as a reader, now I'm connected to it. I feel that this is my a thing that is happening in my life is happening here, and I want to read this whole thing.
Right.
And I hope I must have saved at least one person from a heart attack by reading that. Otherwise, the person who has studied BCom is writing about medical terms. Imagine the horror. But yeah, that's the fun. सिर्फ ये पता नहीं था कि that is called context writing that time because I hadn't invented that term that time, and now it is. थोड़ा show off, yeah.
I guess someone was saying something.
I think Karamjit was saying yeah.
I guess you are spot on. I mean, वही है कि मतलब you were doing from quite a long time, but it's like हमें पता ही नहीं होता.
Correct. We just don't know it because nobody has given it a nice term till date. Till date because आगे है, and see, it's not a company that I own or an IP that I own. I've just kind of rephrased what we have been doing for a long time, and it is paying me a lot. I have been
like अगर इस फील्ड में देखा जाए तो दिस इज द व्हाट यू कैन से द वो ब्लड एंड सोल, लाइक एक जैसे बॉडी का जो मेन चीज हार्ट होता है ना, तो कंटेंट राइटिंग का दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट पार्ट इज लाइक अ हार्ट.
Correct.
If you are
That's the
able to,
impact.
yeah, exactly, it's an X factor. This is something we all are trying, but it's not that easy. मतलब थोड़ा दिमाग में.
So I'll try to help you a little on that, Karamjeet.
Okay.
You guys will get better at it when the first thing you don't do is Google.
Okay, got it.
Right? So as a writer, the last thing you should do is writing. The first thing is to decide what to write about.
So can you share the process, like how to go through a context writer's mindset? Like एक वो mindset क्या होता है, किस तरीके से?
Actually, ऐसा कोई mindset होता ही नहीं है. But just to give an answer to you, and I don't want to spill the beans straight away. The first thing that we have to do is stay away from Google.
Okay.
मतलब I have stopped kind of writing long format content for a long time now. मतलब जो articles है, blogs, press releases, web copies, I don't do that much. I am more on the copy side or the concept side. So for most of the ad agencies or the even government agencies that I'm working for right now, I only work on the context, which is the concept or the ideation part. That ideation part or the content, the concept part, I take a diary, I take a pen or a pencil and I write it down without looking at anything. मतलब आपको लगेगा ये एकदम you're talking to somebody from Adam Eve's world, but those things still work.
Like what do you write? Like you said ना, you take a pen, paper and you start writing. तो writing मतलब क्या है? Thoughts आते हैं या फिर what it is exactly it is?
I mostly write down questions. So
Okay.
I'll give you the blind school example in this context now.
Okay.
There's a very old blind school in Pune that have been running for us 80 years, and they're doing pretty well. सब free चलता है. All the visually impaired students from below poverty class study there, and they are doing a really decent job in the city. So a foreign government recently approached them and asked them, "Can you run a similar kind of school in our country?" But for that, they will have to prove certain things, saying कि वो इतने अच्छे काम करते हैं. That's what they'll have to prove. Now the problem with this blind school was they didn't even have an annual report to show to us. Because सब यहाँ पे social work के अंदर चल रहा था, so nobody cared about what's happening. और जहाँ भी problem है वहाँ पे I see a lot of money. So that is what I was invited to create their create assets or marketing assets for them that can be used for their presentation to government. The first thing was the website, because there was no website with them. So they asked us, "Can you do our website?" For a blind school's website, if it was anyone else, वो लोग क्या करते? They would have immediately got on to writing the content of the website. कि आज रात बना दिया, पूरे website create हो गई, it goes to a designer tomorrow. Think this is the content, these are the 5 pages, site structure ready, robot सब ready हो गया. Then it goes to the developer, they develop it, और 4 दिन में the website is ready, right? But this was not the objective to be achieved in this project. So when it came to me, and Karam was talking about the research part, I actually went to Google that time, but with a question in mind. The question in my mind was, if it's an organization that is catering to visually impaired students, can the website cater to visually impaired people as well? That was the question. Then the research started. So there have been researches on what they can see, what they can feel. There are certain colors, fonts, or sentences, lines that they can read and see, because they're not blind, they're visually impaired. So on that one insight, we created a wireframe for the website. And we presented them that we will create the whole website in those colors, using those fonts, and keeping their comfort in mind. So every word on the website is written in a way that it never makes those people uncomfortable. Those, I mean, the visually impaired. If a visually impaired person can see the website, we obviously can see the website. So that was our pitch to the client. So ये time क्या होता है? If you are convinced and if you can convince the other person, the money becomes a secondary thing. तो यहाँ पे फिर उल्टा पिचिंग शुरू हो जाता है. They ask how much money will you require to create such an asset. तो 20,000 की चीज 2 लाख हो जाती है immediately, and it actually works, right? And we made the website, and what we had pitched them is, इनका whatever the money comes in this whole organization is through donation. When a donor sees that this organization has gone to a level, इनका website भी visually impaired लोगों के लिए बना हुआ है, imagine how much care they must be taking of their actual students. So while donating their money, instead of donating 20,000, they end up donating 1 lakh rupees, because they know that the organization is doing a great job, and we could actually see those figures coming. And that is the power of setting the right context. Karam, does that answer you?
Yeah,
I guess
totally.
your video is paused.
My video is paused. Okay. No, I am paused. I am
No,
too much in the exam.
It wasn't paused.
Now
It was all right.
Okay. Yeah. I've been sitting in one place for last 52 minutes, which is a big challenge for me.
Yeah, that can be understood actually. So basically, what I took away is, like you said, before you start Googling, you need to have a proper set of questions, and then you, yeah,
You need to have at least that one question that will lead the way.
and then you need to start rather than blindly Googling on, have something and then take it forward.
No,
Noted.
because I'll tell you what, when you have that certain question in mind, the kind of search that you will do on Google will change as well.
It will be specific, no? Like if I have a certain question, so I will just browse through to that particular part only, rather than going as a whole
Yes,
throughout.
correct.
Understood.
And it definitely, and it helps big time, because 20,000 का 1 लाख हो जाता है. And I'm talking about a check that you will draw yourself.
Social work mein to it's all about how you are able to show that how you are impacting. Simple.
Yes. And unless your content is, you are content about your content, there is no point about writing that content. Too much alliteration in that, but I'll repeat that. Unless you are content about the content, there is no point about writing that content. Someone explain me that, please.
You need to repeat again, then I'll explain. I just understood.
Okay. Unless you are content about the content, you should not write that content.
Unless you're satisfied with that, you're not supposed to write the content.
Correct. But we never check that. And that should be the first check before the thing goes live. Are you really content with your content? If not, then rewrite it or recreate. So those 22 trends, writing, going on Google and picking up certain information and just writing the 23rd blog on 22 trends will never help.
right.
कोई अपना सिर पटक रहा है दीवार पे एक बार.
हथौड़े की आवाज आई guys.
Okay. Got it. Mohammed has a question here. How to overcome from क्या मैं सही लिख रहा हूँ? Google help us in that. Correct. क्या मैं सही लिख रहा हूँ? Mohammed, are you around? I'd like to answer that. Harshita, can I take that?
Yeah, sure. Why not? Yeah.
Okay. So Mohammed is asking how to overcome from क्या मैं सही लिख रहा हूँ. Now, what is the keyword in this line? क्या मैं सही लिख रहा हूँ? What's the keyword?
Sahi.
What is
Perfect.
sahi for you?
Correct. What is sahi for you? You need to define that first. Because your sahi would be different, client sahi would be different, people reading it would be, for them sahi would be different. So you need to spend your time, which I call research, in defining that sahi. and the clearer the sahi becomes to you, the better your answer will. Because it's not necessary that you have to convince everyone with your writing. You just have to answer that sahi in your question. And that's where you sit with a nice pen and paper. And why I say pen and paper is, at least in my case, I start thinking a lot when I have pen and paper in my hand. So I can scribble on a piece of paper. I cannot scribble on my computer or a phone. I do create there, but my way of thinking is a piece of paper and a pen. So if that works for you, great. If computers work for you, great. For electronic devices, wherever. या फिर आपको अगर किसी के दीवार पे लिखना अच्छा लगता है, you go and write on their दीवार. You can do that as well. The point is, you need to think to yourself first. Tanupreet is saying, like, take a topic, give it an out-of-the-box thought, then research in that thought instead of researching as a whole. Correct. So you need to research very specific things. Google is basically meant to make your content better and not to tell you what to write. What to write has to be decided by you. Or what to create has to be decided by you. Like I see a lot of designers these days, as soon as they get a brief, they go on to Shutterstock because that is their Google these days. और Shutterstock पे जो image मिलती है, then they take that as the base and start building upon that. But that is not the right process. It's the same with us as well. It shouldn't work that way. You need to know the answers to the questions, and then it will start building. Right? So, did I answer your question, Mohammed Kashif? Your sense of humor is oh my god. But this oh my god is Durex wala oh my god या Mercedes wala oh my god?
Rishikesh wala oh my god.
Rishikesh wala oh my god. But I hope people visualize it in the right sense.
Yeah, exactly.
Because I cannot control anyone's thought in the content. In the context, right? Forget the context.
So this oh my god वो context writer वाले end से ही आएगा.
Correct. And I'll tell you what, when I got onto LinkedIn, it became a little clearer. मतलब क्या ये मैं सही कर रहा हूँ in his words, calling myself a context writer. Everyone on the planet of LinkedIn calls themselves a storyteller. ये देखा है क्या?
हाँ, exactly. हर एक के headline में लिखा हुआ है.
हर एक storyteller है. But nobody is listening to their stories is the problem. Because when everyone becomes a storyteller, nobody is a storyteller. ऐसा है ना?
Exactly.
There's too much chaos. It's like the floor of the stock market we saw in the recent scam wali series. Everyone is trying to sell themselves. So when everyone is trying to sell, you don't sell yourself at all. People will come and buy from you. Because उनको लगता है कि इसमें कुछ तो different. And even that helped me to kind of make it a little clearer that I want to work only on the content and not on the content here on. Content will happen eventually because that is a result. But what is the question or what is the seed is the content. Right? So you may call yourself a storyteller. That there's no problem or no harm in saying that. But if you're a storyteller, don't tell other stories to people. Come up with your own stories and then share those because that is where you will become different. मतलब गूगल मत करना कि आज के 100 लाइक्स कहाँ से आएंगे. That does not help.
Because वो कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाएगा ना फिर.
नहीं कनेक्ट कर पाएगा से भी ज्यादा है that they have seen this somewhere. Isn't it? मनीष का दुकान सबके लिए ओपन है ना. So anyone can go and buy a lehenga from there. But we think that we are the most exclusive person on this planet who has a gold pass to Manish's store and we go and buy the most expensive lehenga. Isn't it? So don't do that. But give it a nice twist to that story which people have already heard about. Only then people will start taking you seriously as a storyteller. Otherwise, you're a story narrator. There's a big difference in both. Right?
Right.
Any other questions, guys?
So, yeah, we can wait for 2 more minutes. If anyone has any questions, they can tell us. By the way, I guess you have like narrated whole of the context writing in front of us, and that's an amazing like opportunity to
I
listen
find.
you. Yeah, I am myself
And
like
please
getting
try
so
that.
much ideas after listening you.
I I am happy to know that. And my sincere request is please take it, own it, and make money on it. Because it's a very open market. And I feel very happy calling myself a context writer. The reason is there is zero competition. Imagine how many content writers are out there right now trying to steal your work. Steal नहीं बोल सकते, but trying to compete with you. So this is the best way to beat the competition. If you start pleasing algorithm, then you stop pleasing yourself. There's one more. This is like a typical storyteller's quote, Mohammed Qasim. If you start pleasing the algorithm, you stop pleasing yourself. Absolutely, but that's true. Very true. So the question you need to ask yourself whenever you create is: are you content with your content? If not, then you go and recreate.
So it's like trial and error.
Trial and error से भी पहले कि you take calculated steps. Because
Calculated
deadlines भी तो है ना. You need to know where you're heading. That's important. मतलब this is not like a solo trip where you're on a self exploration journey. This is not that trip.
My point was like I know the part, but uske upar, like you said, no, create something context and see if it works or not. अगर नहीं work किया तो फिर दूसरे पे jump. अगर वो नहीं किया तो फिर तीसरे पे jump.
Correct.
In that sense.
Correct. That's true. But you need to know what you're building upon. That's very important.
वही है ना, अगर किसी क्रिकेटर को आउट करना है तो पता होना चाहिए कि स्ट्रैटेजी क्या है.
Perfect. तो
सिंपल.
सिर्फ लोग बॉल डाले जा रहे हैं and we are
क्या कि बॉल डालने के बाद सीधा
batsman-
वो बाउंड्री के पार जाएगी. Unless you know कि कैसे उसको आउट करना है, like अभी जब रिसेंट हुआ था. So
Correct.
that's
Correct. Or you do something that people have never predicted, change the name of the stadium itself. And you own the whole stadium. फिर बैट भी अपनी, बैटिंग भी अपनी और स्टेडियम भी अपना.
So I have a question, Rishikesh, over here, Sudipta, this side.
Hi,
So as
Sudipta.
you mentioned, so just wanted to know, if we have the content ready, the material, everything is ready, how do we brand or market ourselves? Like I see, I'm very active on LinkedIn, being a 9 to 5 person. Everybody is a storyteller, selling everything. How do I write? I'm like, I become very shaky. Should I start with Instagram? How do I publish? Should I make my own page and start branding? What do I
No.
do?
What is the worst thing that will happen if you write something on any platform? Forget LinkedIn. What is the worst thing that will happen, Sudipta?
people won't read.
People won't read. People will say, "Oh, grammatical mistake है, मेरा copy कर लिया." Everything will come up.
ठीक है. Grammatical mistakes है. People won't read. 0 likes मिलेंगे. Worst case.
Correct.
Correct.
Yes.
But if you're not creating content, तो क्या होगा?
उससे भी खराब जाएगा that if we know anything and we are not creating, we are just sitting idle and we are just looking everybody grow, but we are sitting.
Correct. So instead of wasting on the non-productive side, you better waste your time on the productive side.
Correct.
So forget लोग क्या कहेंगे. If you like the Manish ka lehenga, you go and buy Manish ka lehenga, and you give it a nice to it.
So the worst case
And
would
then you
be
present yourself. That's important.
Okay.
the worst case would be
Sorry, Dipti, you were saying something?
the worst case would be you wouldn't even receive views on your post.
Correct.
I agree to that.
मुझे तो
How do people get so many views? Like I have been watching people. You can call me a night watcher nowadays on LinkedIn. I see people getting so many views. Where do they get it? I'm like, seriously, man, you don't have any contact. I end up sleeping on your own post. How do you get those things? Are there any paid likes or something? How does this math work?
So I don't know. Let me see if there is any good content creator in this group who is getting a lot of views. I think Harshita, you can answer that
Sandeep
because
Kochar. Sandeep
No, no,
Kochar
in
is
this-
like easy man.
the 10 people in this
Sandeep Kochhar, I would say, is a storyteller. Again, you said, for Sandeep Kochhar, he comes with, very bang on story. So I think for here, people getting views is, they have already explored a lot and they have, figured out what will suit and what will not. I think accordingly, they start posting and then they start getting likes. So it's like a process, I would say.
Correct. It's a process and it's a long-term investment that these guys are doing. Who
Yeah,
are
exactly.
extremely good work in this field. There are thousands of ways to get good vanity metrics, but at the end, uh, if you ask me, I get like 10 or 20 likes max on a post, which I think is too high for the kind of content I create. But at the end, I always ask people, are your vanity metrics going to help you pay your EMIs, or the work that comes to you from LinkedIn going to pay your EMIs?
Work from LinkedIn. Work from LinkedIn will help me pay my EMI.
काम ही नहीं किया मुझे कुछ भी good link. Am I audible?
No, a bit
Voice
inaudible.
is cracking.
Cracking, your voice is cracking.
Post पे भी आया to tell them कि मैं काम नहीं किया recruiter ने. Just making content LinkedIn. I have lacked lost connection.
It's still cracking.
Yeah. I think I am back. है ना?
हाँ,
Yes.
exactly.
Yes.
You go and tell SBI मेरे पास 3 लाख likes है. So this is my EMI for this month. But 3 lakh likes, you've done a lot of work onto that. So those are virtual. That's what you need to understand. The image that you build from that is real. And how you use that image to convert it into worth and money is what you should focus on. तो स्टोरीज सुन के पैसे नहीं आते, वो स्टोरीज सुनने के बाद जो डिस्कशंस होते हैं, the way people connect to you, the way you interact with people, the network, the way you take things forward, that is what will help you in building a network. It's not just the post. That post is just the start of it, because you're trying to seek attention of people.
I think number of likes is not a right reality. मतलब 1 लाख like भी हो सकते हैं और कोई भी client ना आए, और you have 10 likes as well, तो तुमको 10 client भी आ सकते हैं. That's how it works over here.
Absolutely. When I give you an example, my own example, Harshita invited me to speak to you guys in spite of having like 10 to 20 likes on the post, which I think kind of proves it.
Yeah, it's improved a lot.
Like, I can give you a example of my friend that like she's studying with me only, and she get around 100 likes on every post she makes. But yesterday I had a discussion with her, because like I was impressed that she's creating good content, she's getting engagement. So I just like messaged her and asked that how many leads you have gotten till now, or how many projects you are working. So she said none of them till now, just because like she's getting internships or unpaid internships, but not any projects, or like she's not getting what she's exactly creating for. She want tech projects or tech internships, but she haven't got any yet. So that actually cleared my mind, that only ki even if you have so many likes, so many comments, and so many engagement, if you're not getting what you are there for, like I don't think it has any value unless like you are getting leads from there.
Unless it converts, yes, there's no point.
Exactly. Unless it converts, if you have 1 like and that converts, I think your job is done.
Right. Akshita is saying, I heard this first from you, then found a video on this by Sanjay Shenot, TEDx Talk. Thank you so much. A TEDx Talk. Akshita, the problem is they are not considering me worth to talk on their platform. That's the problem. And I'm happy with P4 Talk than TED Talk as of now. From this promotion हो गया हर्षिता, इसका अलग से पैसा लगेगा.
Okay. Like आप मेरे को अपना कोट बना के दे देना, then we can discuss.
Yes. I don't take any projects below 7 figures these days.
Below
7 figures. Okay,
How
you
would
can
I
say me
be?
once your income goes to that. But yeah, anyway, anyone else? Any other questions?
if anyone has, they can let us know, or at least please give like your feedback for the session, so that we
Yes,
can at least end this session officially. And yeah, it was great talking to you. And like it was at the starting I only said unique session based on the topic, but it actually turned out to be unique, but because this is like the most interactive session I had till now. Interactive in terms of storytelling and in terms of people interacting with you, stories and everything. So yeah, thank you so much for this. And
my pleasure.
yeah, thank you.
But my
And
pleasure is not the tourist wala my pleasure. Yeah? Otherwise, you guys will start.
I don't think I understand.
yeah, thank you so much, everyone, for attending as well. And thank you, Rishikesh. And yeah,
Thank you.
have a good day. Thank you so much, everyone.
Everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dhanpreet.
Bye.
Thank you, Mohammed. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Rishikesh.